Hello everyone, greetings from Eyespecs.com. Today we'll be taking a look at these Gucci sunglasses, model GG1207SA in color code 002. The color of the frame is gold. And the lenses are gray. These glasses are a square shape. On its top right lens, you'll find the Gucci logo engraved in the lens. The temples are gold, and you'll find the GG Gucci emblem on the temple, and the temple goes into the lens. This is the inside of the frame, and this is what you see when wearing the frame. These lenses are also UV protected. And on the inside of its nose pads, you'll find the GG Gucci emblem in gold. These are the other temples. On its inner right temple is the Gucci logo in gold, that it's made in Japan, and the serial number. On its inner left temple is the model number and color code and dimensions of the frame. 64 is for its lens, 16 is for its bridge, and 140 is for its temples. The glasses also come with a Gucci dust bag with the Gucci logo in gold on the bag, a white and black Gucci cleaning cloth, and a black Gucci case, although color and style may vary. And on the inside of the case is the Gucci logo in gold. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in checking out these frames or any of the frames, head over to the link in the description and check out Eyespecs.com and have a joyful day.